Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about kidney pain, what causes it, how to identify it, and when to see the doctor. Kidneys play a crucial role in keeping the body healthy because they filter waste, balance fluids, and regulate blood pressure. But when something goes wrong, the body gives signals in the form of pain and discomfort. But how do you know if the pain is actually from the kidneys? Many people confuse kidney pain with back pain. Kidney pain usually occurs below the ribs on either side of the spine. It can also spread to the lower abdomen, sides, or even the groin. Unlike muscle pain or back pain, kidney pain doesn't get better with movement or rest. And now let's talk about the causes of kidney pain. First cause is kidney stones, and this is one of the most common reason for kidney pain. These are hard mineral deposits that form in the kidneys. When they move through the urinary tract, they cause severe and sharp pain. And other symptoms include blood in urine, nausea, vomiting, and difficulty urinating. Now let's talk about the kidney infections. A bacterial infection in the kidneys can cause dull or sharp pain, fever, chills, nausea, and burning sensation while urinating. And if left untreated, a kidney infection can become serious. Next reason is urinary tract infection. A UTI that spreads to the kidneys can cause pain in the lower back or sides. Other signs include frequent urination, burning sensation, cloudy urine, or a strong smell in urine. Next reason is polycystic kidney disease, also known as PKD. It is a genetic condition that causes fluid-filled cysts to grow in the kidneys, and these cysts can cause dull pain, high blood pressure, and kidney function problems. Next reason is kidney injury. A direct hit or accident can damage the kidneys, leading to pain and possible internal bleeding. Next reason is kidney cancer. In some cases, kidney pain can be a symptom of kidney cancer. However, it is actually accompanied by blood in urine, unexplained weight loss, and fatigue. Now that we know the causes, let's talk about symptoms that should never be ignored. If you experience severe pain, fever, nausea, vomiting, blood in urine, or difficulty urinating, consult the doctor immediately. Ignoring kidney problems can lead to kidney failure and other serious complications. So, how is kidney pain actually diagnosed? Well, the doctors use different tests to find out the cause of kidney pain. These may include urine tests, blood tests, ultrasounds, or CT scans. Early diagnosis helps in faster treatment and better recovery. So, what are the treatment options available for kidney pain? Treatment options depends on the cause. For kidney stones, doctors may suggest drinking more water, taking pain relievers, or even surgery if the stone is large. And for kidney infection, antibiotics and plenty of fluids are usually prescribed. For chronic kidney diseases, lifestyle changes and medications are needed to protect kidney function. Beside it, you can also try some home remedies for mild kidney pain such as hydration, because drinking enough water helps flush out toxins. Or you can apply a warm compress on the lower back to reduce the discomfort. Over the counter pain medications may help, but avoid excessive use as some painkillers harm the kidneys. And reduce salt, sugar, and processed foods to protect kidney health. And strictly avoid alcohol and smoking because these can make kidney problems worse. And if pain is severe, persistent, or accompanied by other symptoms, do not ignore it. Consult the doctor without any delay. Delaying treatment can cause serious damage to the kidneys. Kidneys are vital organs and taking care of them is essential for a healthy life. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys. Bye bye.